You've seen all those epic AI movie trailers blowing up lately, right? Now you're wondering how to make one yourself. Well, you've hit the jackpot. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own jaw-dropping movie trailers using AI. And here's the kicker. We're taking the iconic animated sitcom Family Guy and transforming it into a full-blown live-action movie trailer. Oh, and we're not stopping there. We're even crafting the background music with AI. Best part, you can do all of this completely free. Excited yet? Let's jump right in. The first step in our AI-powered journey is deciding which actor should bring each iconic animated character to life in a live-action setting. Sure, you could totally brainstorm the casting yourself, but why not take things up a notch and let Chat-GPT do the heavy lifting? It can suggest the perfect matches for your live-action version of Family Guy. So let's turn to AI for some casting magic and see who it thinks should step into the shoes of Peter, Lois, Stewie, and the whole gang. Let's dive in and see what AI can cook up. And I will use the following prompt. If there was a real live-action Family Guy movie, what actors would fit best? Please give me a list of the cartoon character of Family Guy, and then what famous actor should play him or her. Thank you in advance. I will also put this prompt in the video description for you, no worries, so you can adjust it a little bit for your own video idea. That's perfect. It came up with actors for these 12 characters. I think that is more than enough. Next up, we are going to generate images, meaning we are going to choose a famous actor that should play the character and transform him into that character. Understand? I'm going to use Midjourney for the image generation. But as you probably know, there are plenty of other free AI image generators you can use. I made an entire video on that too. But okay, to be fair, this part is the most tricky part, because you need to come up with good prompts. The images should look like the famous actor and have a resemblance of the animated sitcom character. I experimented with it, and I came to a perfect formula. It goes like this. Actor A playing animated character X, wearing the clothes from animated character X, is in location Z, realistic, lifelike human. So yeah, I also asked Chat-GPT for clothes descriptions for each character, and also location descriptions. Midjourney struggled by some actors more than others. It also had the problem that it did not want to create realistic, lifelike images, but instead 2D drawings or 3D stuff. So in the extreme case, I even explicitly said, not a cartoon or animated. But yeah, you really need to experiment with the prompts. And I also changed from using Seth Rogen to Jack Black as Peter Griffin. I even tried these other actors as Peter Griffin, Danny DeVito, George Clooney, and even Brad Pitt, ha ha lol. By the way, I will also put these prompts I used in the description. I bet it will come in handy. So yeah, this process will usually take some time to get it perfect. After you've found the perfect image, just upscale it. And maybe even upscale it some more to get better quality, because we need to put it through another process. Be sure to generate all the character you'd like to display in the video. Now next, it is time we are going to animate these images. We are going to use Runway, so launch your browser and head over to Runway. And try Runway. Now simply sign up with your email or sign up with your Google account. This way we get free credits that normally cost like $20 or something. To be honest, I already burned like 3 Google accounts to get some free credits there, just a tip. But okay, now get started. Now drag and drop your image in there. So I will start with Jack Black as Peter Griffin. Next we can write a prompt. And remember when I previously told you that there were rules to write a prompt there, and you need to first describe the image, etc. Well guys, to be fair, you can just blatantly experiment with it and just tell it exactly what you want to see or just leave it blank. When you leave it blank, it will just make the person in the image a bit move and he or she will blink a few times. So just put all the images you generated before through this process and download them. And yes, another tip is to write in the prompt how you would like the camera to move in the generated output video. Now we could just go ahead and build the entire trailer from the material we got. But now I want to show you another cool thing. Now we are going to make an AI version of the theme song from Family Guy. To do that, we are going to use Sunno. Go to the website and sign up or log in. This is also free to use. Now go to Create and then select Custom. Now we are going to copy and paste the song text from the Family Guy theme song there. So let's do that. You can even leave those things in brackets like bridge, chorus, etc. Sometimes it is even better to leave things like that, and on top of that you can also experiment with it and write different things in the brackets to make it even sound better. But okay, now we need to describe the style of music. I typed orchestra show tune. Now give it a title, and then hit generate. The generation is really fast, like 1 to 2 minutes, and they even generate 2 versions for you. Let's listen to it.
It seems today that all you see is violence and movies and sex on TV. But where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely? Lucky there's a Family Guy.
Not bad. It got that 50s feeling. Now this one.
It seems today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV.
But where are those good old-fashioned values
on which we used to rely? Lucky there's a Family Guy.
Okay, but I liked the other one better. But to be honest, I do not like both for our trailer, so I will change the song text brackets text a bit and leave out the orchestra by the style of music, and press generate again.
It seems today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV. But where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely? Lucky there's a Family Guy.
Okay, this is perfect. We are going to use that now. Just download it like I'm doing. And guys, before we are going to start mixing everything together, for the aesthetic, we are going to download a fitting font. I found this Family Guy font right here. And now install it to your fonts. Now that we've got all the content we need, it is time to start cooking it up. You can use any video editing software of your choice, but I am going to use CapCut. It is free and stupid simple to use, so just open a new project and drop your generated footage in there. Now you just have to rearrange and resize everything, like structure, cutting and pasting. You can use the soundtrack as your guide. I mean, by placing the audio track we generated right there, we know how long our video will be, and where there are beat switches, etc. Okay, after you've rearranged all the clips and even changed the speed on some of them, it is time to put some text. Go to text and select the Family Guy font. Now I simply wrote the famous actor's name and then the character's name. And while editing, you might also get many new ideas. Like I also added the Family Guy logo in the beginning of the video. I even added this Sony and Columbia Pictures animation. I just took it from a random recent trailer from YouTube. Now this is personal, but you can, if you want, add some extra effects and transitions. I'd say just play around with it and look what fits best. Oh, I almost forgot. I also added these black movie borders that I found online as a PNG. I kid you not, it wasn't even a fake PNG. Yeah, I got lucky. That reminds me though, I wasn't as lucky when it came to choosing sound effects. LOL. Don't you just love watching 5 minutes of ads just to listen to a 5-second sound effect? But okay, just add some sound effects if needed, and adjust the volume to not make them overpowering. And guys, for the final of the video, I generated some text-to-speech with AI for the Peter Griffin outro. Yeah, to be honest, I could have cloned Peter's voice in 11 Labs, or subscribed to a monthly payment for a good Peter Griffin voice. But I found this website right here. It was free and I think it did a real good job.
Hey guys, how's it going? Watch our new movie now.
On top of that, I used Runway to lip-sync the Peter Griffin speech to the video.
Hey guys, how's it going? Watch our new movie now.
After you've added all the effects, did some color corrections and made everything as you like it, export your video. Now upload it and go viral. Here is the end result.
Seems today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV. But where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely? Lucky there's a Family Guy. Lucky there's a man who positively can do all the things that make us laugh and cry.
Put the stuff down.
Our laugh and cry. It's a Family Guy. He's a Family Guy.
Hey guys, how's it going? Watch our new movie now. Who would have thought we'd get Family Guy movie in real life before GTA 6?
And that's a wrap. Now it's your turn to take the reins and create some mind-blowing movie trailers with AI. Use what you've learned here, but don't stop there. Unleash your creativity and push the boundaries to make something even better. The possibilities are endless, so don't hold back. Most importantly, have a blast with it. And hey, if you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. See you in the next video. Bye.